Health Explorers. This is where we unravel the extraordinary benefits of mustard oil. From wellness wonders to surprising skincare secrets, we're diving into its unique potential. Don't forget to hit subscribe and join our journey. Eczema Relief. Mustard oil's anti-inflammatory properties might provide relief from the symptoms of eczema, such as itching and redness. Insect repellent. Mustard oil's strong smell can act as a natural insect repellent. Applying a small amount to exposed skin may help deter insects. Nasal congestion relief. A traditional remedy involves massaging a small amount of warm mustard oil onto the soles of the feet before bedtime to help alleviate nasal congestion. Dental health. Mustard oil's antimicrobial properties make it a potential option for oil pulling, a traditional practice that involves swishing oil in the mouth to promote oral hygiene. Aromatherapy. Mustard oil is sometimes used as a carrier oil in aromatherapy to dilute essential oils for massage. Its warming properties can enhance the soothing effects of the massage. Fungal infection treatment. The antifungal properties of mustard oil can be helpful in treating fungal infections like athlete's foot. Applying a diluted mixture to the affected area may help alleviate symptoms. Potential cancer prevention. Mustard oil contains glucosinolates, which are associated with potential anti-cancer properties. However, more research is needed to fully understand these effects. Joint health. Some people use mustard oil topically to massage joints affected by arthritis. The oil's warming effect might offer temporary relief from joint pain and stiffness. Digestive health. Consuming small amounts of mustard oil in cooking may stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, aiding in digestion and reducing digestive discomfort. Pain relief. When applied topically and gently massaged onto sore muscles, mustard oil's warming effect can provide relief from minor muscle pain and discomfort. Skin care. Mustard oil is commonly used in skincare due to its natural antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. It can be applied to the skin to moisturize, soothe, and address minor skin irritations. Hair care. Massaging mustard oil onto the scalp can help improve blood circulation, stimulate hair growth, and strengthen hair follicles. It's also used to condition hair and prevent dryness. As we wrap up, a huge thanks for joining the mustard oil adventure. If you found this as intriguing as we did, show some love with a like and comment. Stay tuned for more revelations on health as wealth. Until next time, stay curious and take care.